Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Today we are going to make this look like new. This is the front piece to the Craftsman T100 riding lawnmower. That'd be Mary's mower. So, first thing we got to do is clean this thing. It's dirty. So, I got some Windex. Let's get this thing cleaned up. I mean, it's dirty. Clean mower is a happy, long-lasting mower. Last riding lawnmower I had, guys, I bought new in 07. Paid $1,600 for the thing. It was a Craftsman, but Husqvarna made it, not MTD, not like this thing. Had the automatic transmission, kind of like hydrostatic, but not. Couldn't tell you how many hours it had on it. I replaced everything on it, on the deck, several times. Because yeah, even I did say some things that wasn't good for it, but had to get a job done. Yeah, like got some scuff marks on this thing. I wonder what she's been doing. Alright, so got it clean. So the next thing we are going to do, I got this Trim Restore. We're going to put this on there and it's going to make it look a lot better. Even though it don't look too bad now, we want it to look even better. We're only going to use this on the outside. There you go. Looks good, don't it? So, get some of the Trim Restore. Make sure you use some Windex. And that way you can clean it, make it look like new. So even though you might be driving a tractor that's 20 years old, between the paint job and everything else I've been doing with this tractor, you too can make it look like new and give you the pride that you deserve. See you next time here on Lynn's Homestead.